Hey everybody, want to know how to make this beautiful candy bouquet? Well, just stay tuned and I'm going to show you how. Hey, can you see me? Have y'all seen those little things that you can buy that have like decorations already in them? And they have like candy or whatever? Well, I'm going to make one of those. I think I am anyway. I'm going to try my hardest at it. So this is for a gift for Nurses Week. It's supposed to be last week, but you know, April's always a day late and $5 short, so we're gonna make it what we can. Plus, they only work one day a week, so, and Tuesday's today. So we're gonna make it today and take it to Tuesday. Ooh. I think I need to trim this down because it won't fit in there. I'm scared to smash it too hard. All right. So we're just going to take the candy, open the little doodad right here, take the skewer, stick it in like so, and then we're just going to tape it. Ta-da! Hopefully it won't slide. All right. Well, maybe it will slide. Need to get it on the actual stick. There we go. And then anybody got a suggestion for this thing? We're going to take the skewer and stick it down in the coffee mug. And then we're going to have a bouquet. As long as this stays in. So let's get all the candy taped. Okay, 5 years later, I got the little thing in there. You have to manhandle it. You gotta use your guns, you know. But we're gonna stick this candy in there with these skewers, like a bouquet of flowers. Now, how this is gonna turn out, I don't know, because you can do some high, you can do some low, you can do some middle, all. Well, that one's just going to go down in there anyway. Don't put the stick around the thing like I showed you. Just tape it like this. See that? Just tape it like that. Ugh. I think I went all the way down with that Butterfinger. Just going to slowly add the candy in. Ouch. So happy Nurses Week to all you nurses out there. Anybody on this of my friends a nurse? It was last week, the 11th through the 14th or something like that. So happy Nurses Week to all y'all. We got a lot of these to do. Got all of these. Oh, then you break them. It's okay. It'll just go a little deeper. That's a good idea. We won't break them, we'll just cut them. Maybe we shouldn't cut them because I think I just broke the scissors. I think breaking is the easiest thing to do. So what I did is, well, I got a lot of big reds right there together. What I did is I just bought went to the Dollar Tree and bought the little candies that you can, you know, the individually 6-pack or whatever they're called, and then I just taped them on here. See, it's not looking too shabby, huh? I like that the Snickers has little things on it. It says, nice job. Y'all, that is clearly a Three Musketeer. And then if you had like a pretty basket you wanted to put it in, I'm not going all out like that. But you could put it in a pretty little basket. You could wrap it with some pretty cellophane, like that, you know, that colored looking stuff. You could actually do more candy than this. There's lots of room, especially if you like staggered a little better than I did. But, you know, I'm just going to do bare minimum, like normal. This one says way to go. Not too bad. And it says here, nice until proven naughty. He's naughty anyway, but there you go. It's pretty neat, isn't it? This is how to make the candy bouquet. Yay!